Welcome to Irby Electronics. Project 14 is a do-it-yourself LED display. This kit was developed following inquiries from customers at craft markets who wanted to make their own design. The kit contains 10 LEDs, solder, link wire and a piece of unpierced foam board. In this example, 2 LEDs of each colour have been arranged in a triangular pattern. Other versions of the kit are available in just one LED colour, either all blue, all green, all pink, all red or all yellow. 2 AA batteries are needed to power this circuit. More information is available on the website. Thanks for watching.